Okay. The heck? I do not see or hear a train, but it's gotta be a train. Huh. Okay, I get out of the car to film the train, but this is not. Oh, come on. I think I hear one. Well, down here's the cabin I stayed in back 4th of July. I was talking with my friends that I hang out with the cabin. I know there's a train nearby. There has to be. Well, I'm not going to get on the track because of the lights flashing. Okay. Everything's red, but the lights are on, and the crossing gates came down. I have no idea what the heck's going on here. Oh, whatever. I need to get home. I thought I was going to finally catch a train. I've literally been here since 1:30, and it's going on 6 o'clock. And actually it's almost 6:30. It's not a single train there was that one that was trying to film while they were walking on the tracks. I have no idea what's going on here. I'm very confused, I know that. There's got to be a train somewhere nearby.